A sudden loss of power steering in your Ford Escape can be incredibly dangerous. When the standard reprogramming fix fails to restore assist, the actual solution is replacing the electronic power steering torque sensor or the entire steering column assembly. Ford's electronic power assist steering relies on this sensor to determine how much effort you are applying to the wheel. Reprogramming only addresses software glitches in the power steering control module. If the torque sensor hardware has physically failed or developed a dead spot, no amount of software updates will bring your steering back. This sensor is integrated directly into the steering column on most Escape models from the affected years. Testing the sensor requires a high-level scan tool to read the live data from the steering angle and torque sensors while you turn the wheel. If the scan tool shows erratic voltage drops or zero input while physical force is applied, the sensor is undoubtedly bad. Unfortunately, Ford does not always sell the torque sensor as a standalone replacement part for all Escape model years. You will likely need to install a completely new or remanufactured steering column assembly to fix the issue permanently. After installing the new hardware, a final recalibration is necessary to center the new sensor and clear the persistent warning lights from your dashboard.